Boy, Lightning, you reckon you're ready for your next race? I was born ready, mater. I'm Lightning McQueen. Well, hold on and hold on to your britches. What do we got here, good buddy? Why? What do you see? What's wrong? Well, hot dog, look over yonder. I'm happier than a cat in a tuning factory. Oh no, not this time, not again, no way. I got places to go, important things to do. I gotta go, buddy. Later. Well, okay, suit yourself. More important. What in tarnation could be more important than tractor tipping? I'm gonna sneak up and this is gonna be fun. Boy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lightning missed out all up in this. Well, hot dog. 1, 2, 3, boy, 4 and 5. Why, this is more fun than a barrel of monkeys. Well, what in the world? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nah, this is fun. I don't care who you are, this is fun. Well, poor thing, he didn't get educated like me. I done finished the 2nd grade. Woo! Countdown, ladies, sing this song. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Whoa, what do we have here? Land of Goshen. Wow. Yeah. Well, hot dog, let's have fun. Double the fun. Woo! Yeah, orange, the yellow bananas, and the red apple. Yeah, fun. Woo! Easy does it. Woo-hoo! Boy, an orange, yellow bananas, and a red shiny apple. Well, I've done tractor tipping, but this is tractor flipping. Well, hot dog, we got an orange, yellow bananas, and a red apple. Well, Land of Goshen, never seen Frank so mad in all my days. Now I heard of being tailgated, but this is ridiculous. I'm gonna burn my britches. Too close, adios, muchachos. I'm smart. Woo! Y'all gonna be doing today? I'm gonna get my chrome shine, eh? I don't want no rust, Holmes. No offense, eh? Well, I don't take offense to having rust. I like it. Hey guys, look over yonder. Them tractors just begging to be tipped. Well, I reckon it's my lucky day because even Frank's done sleeping. Oh no, not again, mater. You're gonna get Frank in an uproar. Oh no, not me. You go ahead, you do you, and I'm gonna do me. I'm sitting this one out, Holmes. Well, this is too much fun to pass up. You do your thing, and I'm gonna do mine. Yeehaw! Oh, he must be the smartest in all of Radiator Springs. Oh yeah, he's just a regular Einstein. Easy does it. Look at him go like jumping jelly beans. Yeah. Well, hot dog got a triangle and a square and a rectangle and a circle.
Yeah, Yeah, get him, Frank. Get him. Yeah, get him. You get him, Frank. Get him. Get him.
Catch me if you can, reckon. I reckon you can. Boy. Got a triangle, a square, and a rectangle and a circle. Boy. Well, hot dog. A triangle, square, rectangle, and a circle. Calm down. Calm down. Don't blow a gasket. Don't get your britches in an uproar. You need help, Frank. That's what you need. You get too mad. You gotta have fun in life like me. Man, that was fun. Woo! If you want to have lots more tractor tip and learning fun, be sure to check out our other fun videos. And be sure to subscribe and comment down below what else you'd like to learn about. Bye, y'all. Woo!